In a recent management development workshop, I had a leader ask me, hey Jesse, how do I make sure I don't undermine my employee when I do a skip level meeting with their employee? So in this case, it's all about transparency, letting people know what you're going to do before you actually do it so that there's no surprises, and also letting them know why you're doing what you're doing. So in this case, we had an executive who wanted to meet with their employee, so their director's manager, so 2 levels down. So in this case, the executive can go to the director and say, hey director, I want to start meeting with your employees to get a better sense of what's going on the grounds, see what's working, what's not working, and if I can be of help to remove any obstacles for them. I want to make sure I have a good pulse of what's going on in our company. So you're letting the director know what you're going to do before you actually do it, and also why you're doing it. When you're this transparent, you're able to build rapport with others, build trust, and also have these long-lasting relationships in your career.